Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove your makeup with ease. I'm going to melt it away. And it's in part of my special bundle. It's called the cleansing balm. You can use this with or without makeup. It's got a lovely smell to it. So you only need a little bit. Rubbed on your hands. You can just see it just melts even your mascara away. Now I would normally go and rinse this off with some water, but because we're doing it here, I'm just going to use one of our wipes. Can you see how that's just melted all that makeup away with no problem whatsoever? And you can get this in my special bundle with a mask and with our Uplift beauty oil. And if you want to, I can also add on a pack of our cleansing wipes. Not wipes, cloths, sorry. Not like, but not like baby wipes. These have got skincare in here, so our urology range as well, guys. And then we're just going to wipe all that away with no effort whatsoever. Look at that. Just melts it away. Now I use Quadra on my eyes, so I didn't really need to use anything harsh on my eyes to remove Quadra. Just warm water on a pad would have done, but because we're doing it, see. So 2 combinations you can get: our cleansing balm and our cleansing cloths to remove your makeup. Let us know.